In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see completed tasks in ClickUp. If you've ever finished a bunch of work and then struggled to find where all those completed tasks went, this walkthrough is for you. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look so you can review your progress, double check what's been done, or pull information for reports and updates. First, start by opening ClickUp and heading to your list view. List view is one of the most common ways to see your tasks in a clean linear format, and it's ideal for reviewing completed items. Make sure you're in the correct space, folder, or list where the tasks you care about actually live, because the filters we're about to use will only apply to what's visible in that view. Once you're in list view, look over to the left-hand column. There, you'll see a section labeled My Tasks. This area is used to quickly filter and organize tasks assigned to you. Next to it, or within that same section, you'll find an option labeled More. Go ahead and click on More. Clicking More expands your filtering and viewing options. This is where ClickUp lets you refine what you see, which is essential when you're trying to bring completed tasks back into view, since they're often hidden by default to keep your workspace uncluttered. From the menu that appears, choose All Tasks. This is a key step. Selecting all tasks makes sure you're not only seeing tasks that are currently open or active, but that you're including everything in that view, regardless of status. Think of all tasks as removing any automatic limits on what's shown, so nothing gets left out. Now that you're seeing all tasks, you'll use the status filters to focus specifically on completed work. Look along the top of your list view in the horizontal row near the right-hand side, close to where the filter option appears. There you'll see different status categories, including one labeled Closed. Click on Closed. As soon as you do that, ClickUp will refresh the list view to show tasks that have been marked as done or completed, depending on how your workspace is configured. These are your completed tasks. You can scroll through them, open any task to review its details, check comments, attachments, or subtasks, and confirm exactly when and how it was completed. If you ever want to switch back to active work, simply change the status filter again or move away from closed to another status. Using these few controls together, list view, the more menu, all tasks, and the closed filter gives you a quick and reliable way to see all your completed tasks in ClickUp whenever you need them.